Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Asba Chaudhary from Dr. Asba YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about most important 20 MCQs of biology subject related to plant tissue culture. Now let's start. Who is known as the father of tissue culture? Bonner, Labbage, Haberland, Gautheret. Correct answer is Haberland. The production of secondary metabolites requires the use of meristem, protoplast, axillary buds, cell suspension. Correct answer is cell suspension. The pair of hormones required for a callus to differentiate are ethylene and auxin, auxin and cytokinin, auxin and abscisic acid, cytokinin and gibberellin. Correct answer is auxin and cytokinin. What is dimethyl sulfoxide used for? A gelling agent, cryoprotectant, chelating agent, and alkylating agent. Correct answer is cryoprotectant. The formation of embryos from the pollen grains in the tissue culture medium is due to organogenesis, test tube culture, double fertilization, cellular totipotency. Correct answer is cellular totipotency. Synthetic seeds are produced by the encapsulation of somatic embryos with sodium acetate, sodium nitrate, sodium chloride, sodium alginate. Correct answer is sodium alginate. Totipotency refers to development of fruits from flowers in a culture, development of an organ from a cell in a culture medium, flowering in a culture medium, all of the above. Correct answer is development of an organ from a cell in a culture medium. Which of the following is the main application of embryo culture? Clonal propagation, production of embryos, induction of soma-clonal variations, overcoming hybridization barriers. Correct answer is overcoming hybridization barrier. In tissue culture of parenchyma, mitosis is accelerated in the presence of auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, both auxin and cytokinin. Correct answer is both auxin and cytokinin. In which of the following conditions do the soma-clonal variations appear? Plants raised in tissue culture, plants exposed to gamma rays, plants growing in polluted soil or water, plants transmitted via recombinant DNA technology. Correct answer is plants raised in tissue culture. Haploid plants can be obtained from anther culture, bud culture, leaf culture, root culture. Correct answer is anther culture. In plant tissue culture, the callus tissues are generated into a complete plantlet by altering the concentration, sugars, hormones, amino acids, vitamins and minerals. Correct answer is hormones. Which of the following is cultured to obtain haploid plants? Embryo, nucleus, apical bud, entire anther. Correct answer is entire anther. Which of the following vectors is used in crop improvement and crop management? Agrobacterium, plasmid, cosmid, phasmid. Correct answer is agrobacterium. Which of following growth hormones produce apical dominance? Ethylene, cytokinin, auxin, gibberellin. Correct answer is auxin. Hybrids are produced by the nucleus of one species by cytoplasm from both the parent species, the fusion of two same nuclei from the same species, the fusion of two different nuclei from different species, none of the above. Correct answer is nucleus of one species but cytoplasm from both the parent species. Which of the following mediums is composed of chemically defined compounds? Natural media, artificial media, synthetic media, none of the above. Correct answer is synthetic media. Which of the following chemicals are most widely used for protoplast fusion? Mannitol, polyethylene glycol, sorbitol, mannol. Correct answer is polyethylene glycol. Which of the following plant cells shows totipotency? Cork cell, meristem, sieve tube, xylem vessel. Correct answer is meristem. What is callus? Tissues that grow to form an embryo. An unorganized actively dividing the mass of cells maintained in a culture. An insoluble carbohydrate, a tissue that grows from an embryo. Correct answer is an unorganized actively dividing mass of cells maintained in culture. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asma. Allah Hafiz. Take care.